Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
7 hours. Pokémon Go will be down for maintenance for 7 hours from 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. Niantic has not announced what this maintenance will bring to the game, but some players are speculating that this may add a level cap increase, based on data mines from last month.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you're worried about Pokémon Go costing you any money, then you have no reason to fret because Pokémon Go is actually free to play on iOS and Android. It won't cost any money until you break down and run low on Pokeballs and absolutely need to buy more.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Reconnect Google's access to Pokémon Go, Google accounts only. Visit the Google Connected Apps settings page and select Pokémon Go from the list of connected apps. Click the Remove button to disconnect Pokémon Go from your Google account. To reconnect your Google account, log into Pokémon Go as you normally would.
Take our lead.
Pokémon Go is the global gaming sensation that has been downloaded over 1 billion times and named Best Mobile Game by the Game Developers' Choice Awards and Best App of the Year by TechCrunch. This app is free to play and offers in-game purchases.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.